Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn uh, trigonometry chapter 11, exercise 4, 7th question. So, 7th question starting. Given that sin A plus cosecant square A whole square is equal to cos A plus secant A whole square. I am taking LHS and proving right hand side. We will see this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we need to expand a plus b whole square form. So we need to write sin a whole square plus cosecant a square a plus 2 sin a into cosecant a plus cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a. So we have sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So I am writing separately. So next cosecant square a. So cosecant square a plus secant square a plus 2 into sin a into cos a means 1 by sin a plus 2 into cos a secant a means 1 by cos a. I am cancelling cos a and sin a. Since secant a is equal to 1 by cos a, cosecant a is equal to 1 by sin a. So the remaining terms cosecant square a and secant square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. We have 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to cosecant square a plus secant square a. We know that cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. So cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. So I am taking this again secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So basing on these two, I am substituting 1 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 plus cot square a plus 1 plus tan square a. So I am adding 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a, which is RHS. Now second question, 11.4 10th question. Given that cosecant a cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So which is in the form of a square minus b square. We can write a plus b, a minus b. So we can write cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So we have already given that cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Now I am substituting cosecant theta minus cot theta is into k is equal to 1. So I am sending k into right hand side. So cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now adding equations 1 plus 2. So we get cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So when we are adding, no need to change the symbols. So this is plus and minus cancelling. 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. 2 cosecant theta is equal to, so we are getting k into k square, nothing is there, 1 into 1, so denominator 1 into k. So cosecant theta is equal to, I am sending 2 to here, 2 is multiplying, I am sending right hand side, it is divisible, k square plus 1 by 2k, which is equation 3. Subtracting 1 minus 2, we get cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So when you are subtracting, the symbols change. So plus minus cancel, 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. So 2 cot theta is equal to, when you are having k square minus 1 by k. I am sending 2 to left hand, right hand side. Cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k, which is equation 4. Now dividing 4 by 3, we get cot theta is equal by cosecant theta is equal to k square by k square minus 1 by 2k by k square plus 1 by 2k. Here denominator 2k get cancelled. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Here denominator sin theta cancels. K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So cos theta by 1 is cos theta. K square minus 1, k square plus 1, which is required, approved, hence proved. That's all for today's children. Hope you enjoy the video.